day 2 of the bonnet, where we've got a slight dilemma. Yes, we're at Abbid works right now. Ahmed in the chat.
Yo, listen. My bumper's coming off right now.
Yeah.
Do you get it? That's
the nicest bedroom and give it to him, but I'm gonna pay double the fucking amount. What's the
Why
point,
are you gonna
bro?
pay?
Yeah, naughty.
Damn.
Guys, delivery is here. Yeah, love. Big shout out to Keith, lovely brother. Delivered, yes. You already know. Package landed. I don't know if you guys can guess what this is, but seeing as I'm not really gonna be revealing it anytime soon, and you guys are gonna pretty much find out at the end of the video. This is my carbon fiber bonnet, which I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna have to leave it in my garage, and yeah, you guys will see it real soon. You man, quick update. It's day 2 of the bonnet. We're taking it to Abbid's to get it fitted, and we've got a slight dilemma. Tried fitting it into my van, but as you can see, does not fit. So now, I'm with my boy. We're trying to get this thing open so that we can put the bonnet directly into the van. So we found a pry tool. I got no hammer for some weird reason. I'm just here for decoration. Let me quickly help you. I'm not gonna lie, this is a myth. I'm late to Abbid's. We didn't know this was gonna be an issue. Yes, we're at Abbid works right now. Car's here at the unit. It's mad busy, so I don't think Abbid can get my car into the unit, but he's just gonna do the works from here. We've got a banging M3 right here. I'm not gonna say who owns it because he wants to keep it low key. We've got Ahmed in the chat. We've got a banging M3. And currently they're fighting over the last Magna plates.
Yo, listen. My bumper's coming off right now.
Yeah.
Do you get it? That's why I said let me put your thing's not off yet.
Okay.
Mine's coming off.
I can be the nicest bedroom and give it to him, but I'm gonna pay double the fucking amount. What's the
Why are
point,
you gonna pay
bro?
double? You just pay for the kit.
No, I'm gonna pay for the front one again as well.
What do you mean?
Hey.
Do you have to pay for another set? Why are you gonna pay twice for a set?
Why you
No,
gonna
I
slice?
got you.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah?
But is this front though?
And I'm gonna give you the magnets as well. I got the magnets.
Yeah, but I need it now though.
Yeah, it's calm.
So how are you gonna give it to me now?
Because I'm gonna give you the ones I was gonna use for my Audi.
Oh, that's kind
love.
of the same.
There you go. Good to go.
love.
Good to go.
It's sorted, free. A G81 here, a F90 M5. No, that's not even an F90 M5. That's an M5 anyway. C6 in for some damage. My car here for the bonnet that's over there. It's gonna look sexy. So I got Abs. He took off this, the wash up I had. Unwrapping the bonnet right now. We're live. Yeah, naughty.
Damn.
Can you cover this side? Let me take over.
Yuck. Yeah. Missions. We even got Ahmed in the chat helping out, man. Gee.
Hold it like that, roughly.
See? That's how you know it's live, bro. One hand.
Hey, this is gonna look. All right, so yes, guys. As you can see, yeah, I cannot see a damn thing. But behind me, we've got the complete look of the GLC63s with the carbon fiber bonnet. It's been a week since I've had it installed, and yeah, I've just been moving mad slow with the content. Not only that, I just had a few hiccups along the way. So in the video, you'll see the delivery of the bonnet along with the process of us installing the bonnet over at Abbid Works. Big shout out to him, and big shout out to the boys over there, Bree, for helping out. It was a myth, honestly. I had to cut off the video halfway because we had some issues with fitting the bonnet on, and I thought basically the bonnet won't be going on and basically be having to return it because we had alignment issues. We even had fitment issues. We had issues with the struts, the OEM struts that came with my original bonnet that wasn't compatible with this, which I'll show you in the video. I'll probably have an image up here. The struts wouldn't allow the bonnet to fully close. When the struts will be fully compressed, it will still be halfway open, when in turn it should have just been, the bonnet should have been closed like this. So right now you guys are probably thinking, how is the bonnet shut? I'm running no struts at the moment. So I need to order those in, which I haven't even done yet because again, I've just been mad busy with just personal life. But yeah, like, enough of me waffling. Let me show you the bonnet. Yeah, so this is the final look, and I won't lie, it has transformed the entire front end of the car. It just looks so amazing. Let me show you the details. Just looks amazing, man. So, initial thoughts of it. I mean, it stands out. It's a head turner. It just looks so banging. It just screams aura. When I had my C43, I actually saw this bonnet on a car before, and I had plans to put it on the 43, but then obviously my little one came along, and then I was like, you know what, if I ever do get another Merc, this has to be one of the first few mods that I do on the car. So I'm glad I got it done. I'm glad I went ahead with it. I had mixed reviews from friends and family saying it might not look good. They're not a fan of it, but you know what, I'm so glad I didn't listen to them, because genuinely I feel like this is one of my favorite mods so far, man. And we still got a lot to do and a lot to get done. Oh, and another thing as well, which I didn't get to do. I forgot to show you guys the headlights, which I got PPF'd, and the tail lights, which I got light, medium smoke PPF, along with obviously my tints. You guys have seen the tints, but I didn't show you how it looked during the day. And it's very subtle, but it makes such a huge difference. Very, very subtle, but it just contrasts with the black a lot better. Let me take you around the back. I feel like with the tail lights, you can definitely tell the lighting's a bit shit. So guys, this is the complete look of the car so far, and I still have a few more things to do. I got a diffuser that's landing soon, carbon fiber diffuser, which I'm gonna be leaving exposed for a little while until I get my wrap sorted. So I'm gonna get my wrap done after I do the exhaust mod to the car, which also stay tuned for. After all of that, I'm gonna slap the wrap on. The wrap should have gone on a lot sooner. There's been a lot of hiccups, banners thrown in the works. But it is what it is, all in God's timing. Alhamdulillah for the way the car is looking right now. It's still running, it's still driving. But yeah, stay tuned guys, until the next video. Love.